Good day everyone, I am Michael Jan Alberto from BS Cream 1D, and I will be discussing the country of China, the effects of China in the globalization. Uh, this topic is named Globalization, Winners and Losers in the World Trade. In my opinion, China has given some good and bad effects on our globalization. For example, in the good side, China gives a cheap product that any country can afford, and they even gives loans that will help other other countries or developing countries. They also invest to other countries that also help the developing country uh, to have a good economy and have an economic growth. And then in the bad side, the China also gives the cheap product, right? So in that exchange, the developing countries has been uh, on is only dependent on the product that China gives, the cheap product that China gives. So our local industry has been destroyed, and we don't have time or resources to build our own uh, products. For example, in our crops, we do not look more to them, and they become more poor and then give up their farming. Then in the waters, in the fishing, also they also happen to have that. So our local industry is giving up mostly in the agricultural, but in the steel and other materials, uh, I think our government has given a subsidy for that matter because steel is a big trading in our market in the globalization. Another bad thing is one of the one of the big countries, China, is being bully. Like, just look our the West Philippine Sea problem. Some of the Chinese has take advantage of the policies. I mean the careless action of the Philippines, then take some islands. And just look, we just want to have respect from them, but they don't have that. Another is China has given some loans, right? They give some loans to some developing countries like Peru and some countries. They take the loans, so they have some money to invest in their economy. But in exchange, I feel that China will give loans, but it has a catch. The catch is they will take the loans, but if you don't pay, they will take some land or fort, for example, like in Peru. They take some port, then they use that fort to have an easy access to that nation or to other routes, because China is developing country, and it's also a developing country but bigger than us, and always finding a way to make some money. And by opening other routes or other islands, like unlocking it and having resources or product to sell there is open for them, so they will have more investment. So what happened here, they will take the fort and your loan will be gone, but they will have some parts in your island that you cannot control because you have given it to China. So I feel that China has been a big threat, but gives some good things to the globalization because it opens the cheapest price for any nation. So that's all. Thank you for listening.